Hey guys! Today I will tell you about components of pre-structured buildings. So move toward our today's video. Components of pre-structured buildings. The major components of PEB are divided into different types, which are mentioned below. Main framing, or vertical columns, end wall framing, purlins, girts, and eave struts, sheeting, and insulation, crane system, canopy, mezzanine system, ventilator, paints, and finishing. Main framing, or vertical columns. The main frames include steel rigid frames of the building. The PEB steel rigid frames include tapered columns and tapered rafters. These tapered sections are fabricated using the state-of-the-art technology, while the flanges are welded. The frame is then erected by bolting the splice plate of the connecting section together. End wall framing. The end wall frame of the prefabricated building is designed as a main rigid frame. The beam end wall system of framing consists of columns with pinned ends supporting horizontal beams, as known as end wall rafters. Purlins, girts, and eave struts. Purlins, girts, and eave struts are the secondary cold-formed members. No welding is involved in this preparation. They are prepared by just bending the steel coil in order to give it the desired shape. Sheeting and insulation. The steel sheets are normally galvanized profile sheets, permanently color-coated plain, or sheets can be coated with special paints for better anti-corrosion properties. These buildings are properly insulated through insulation slab, rolls, and then the roofing steel sheet is fixed over it. Crane system. Crane system in industrial buildings is used to improve material handling productivity, allowing more utilization of space by reducing or eliminating traffic due to forklifts, etc. These crane runway beams are supported by built-up sections with cap channels. Canopy. The standard PEB steel canopy consists of built-up, tapered canopy rafters that are cantilevered from the main frame columns or from the end wall columns. Wall canopies over doors, shutters, and windows at sidewall or ends walls. Mezzanine system. The standard mezzanine framing system consists of a steel deck supported by joists framed into main mezzanine beams. The economy of the mezzanine systems affected by the applied loads and mezzanine column spacing. Ventilator. Ventilation is the process of replacing contaminated indoor air with fresh air from outside the building. Paints and finishing. Pre-painted steel is produced on modern, high-speed coil painting lines, where surface preparation prior to painting, paint application, and paint curing is done on a highly automated line under optimum condition. If you enjoyed our today's video, then like and share our today's video and subscribe our channel.